Hello friends, in our last video we have learned how to find unknown matrix. But now when you have unknown element in the matrix, how to find that element? Today we are going to learn it through various examples. Here you can see the first example on the screen where the question is find the values of x and y from the equation 2 into the matrix x 5 7 y minus 3 plus 3 minus 4 1 2 equals 7 6 15 14. This is very easy kind of sum, and when this kind of sums are there you can easily get the marks. Here first 2 into this matrix, so we will sort it out, we will find out, and then we will add this also. So see here, when we multiply this 2 with the matrix, it will become 2x 10 14 and 2y minus 6. This is the scalar multiplication, and the second matrix will be as it is, remaining part as it is. Now we can add these two matrices. So we have 2x plus 3, here 10 plus minus 4, that means 6, 14 plus 1 means 15, 2y minus 6 plus 2, that means it is 2y minus 4, and equals to 7, 6, 15 and 14. Before we go ahead, I want to draw your attention to the unknown values 2x plus 3 and 2y minus 3. But you see, if you compare the remaining values which there is no variable in it, you can see because of this equals to sign, those elements are equal, and it should be, otherwise you have done mistake somewhere. So you need to be very precise about it. Now when you compare the elements, you get 2x plus 3 is equals to 7. So you can calculate this. 3 will go that right hand side, it will become 7 minus 3, that means 4, and then 2 will also come in the denominator, means x is equals to 2. So this is your first answer, where you have got one unknown value which is x. And similarly 2y minus 4 is equals to 14. So you know this 4 minus 4 will shift to the right hand side, will become plus 4, and hence you have 2y is equals to 18, and that's why y is equals to 9. Very easy and simple type of sums where you can score your marks easily. So this is your answer. Let's go to the next. See, this is another question where matrix A and matrix B are given. Unknown elements are there in matrix B, and instead of giving equation directly, they have given separately that 2a is equals to b. So we have to write down in this way that 2a, that means 2 into 2 3 7 5 is equals to m minus n 6 14 and m plus n. So 2 will be multiplied with the matrix. We will have 4 6 14 and 10 is equal to m minus n 6 14 and m plus n. So again you can check this. I'm bringing your attention to these values. Coincidentally in both the question it was 6 at that place, but it is not compulsory. You have to just check with these known values are equal. So now we have two equations, m minus n is equals to 4 and m plus n is equals to 10. In our last video we have seen how to calculate simultaneous linear equations. So pause this video and find out the solution. Yes, you have guessed right. Let me eliminate n. So the coefficients of n are already equal and sign are also different. So I just need to add these both equations. So m plus m is 2m, minus n and plus n is cancelled out. 4 plus 10 is 14. So I get the value of m, which is 7. And now when I put this value of m in any of the equation, let me put it in equation number 2. So put m equals to 7 in equation number 2. We get 7 plus n equals to 10, and therefore we get n equals to 3. Now if you want, you can put these values in the equation, first equation. 7 minus 3 is equals to 4. It is correct. That means your calculation is correct. After doing this sum, you can get the confidence that yes, you can solve this kind of sums. Let's do one more sum for the practice. Here you have 4 unknown variables, or you can say 4 unknown elements. So how to solve this? The same pattern. We use this equation. So we have 3x, 3y, 3z and 3w is equal to x plus 4, 6 plus x plus y, minus 1 plus z plus w and 2w plus 3. Now one by one, whatever you feel that it is easy, you can start comparing those values and can get those values easily. Here, when I do comparison of 3x, means first element, with the first element of the resultant matrix, I get 3x is equals to x plus 4. When this x, we bring it on left hand side, will become minus x. So 3x minus x is 2x equals to 4. That means x is equals to 2. Now, when you talk about this second equation, that is 3y is equals to 6 plus x plus y, this value of x you can substitute from here. Means you can write that 3y is equals to 6 plus 2 means 8 plus y. Here you are using this value of x to solve this another equation. So that's equal, y will go on left hand side, 2y, and 2 will come in denominator, means y is equals to 4. So now you have two values, x equals to 2 and y equals to 4. If you need, you can solve, you can use it. But here when we see this fourth equation, fourth element, right, we have 3w is equals to 2w plus 3. Anybody can easily calculate that the value of w is 3. And then we have 3z is equals to minus 1 plus z plus w. Now the value of this w you can substitute from the previous one. That means you have 3z equals to minus 1 plus 3 means 2 plus z. Z will go on left hand side, and ultimately you get z equals to, or let me write in the same way as I am writing for the previous one, that z is equals to 1. So this way we have got all the values, x equals to 2, y equals to 4, w is equals to 3 and z equals to 1. You have got all the 4 values. If you like this sums, if you like this presentation, and if you like our process to solve this all different kind of sums, then do like this video and subscribe the channel. If you have any friend or relative in ICSE you can send this video to them. You can share this video, and please comment. Your comments appreciate us. It boosts our morale to make more such videos. Thank you.